what I've said kanina, number one, it's a big responsibility yan, but it is good for our country. Good for Philippines that we can have one of the biggest, pageant organization. Kung magyan ka ng opportunity, why, I don't know, maybe I have to study it hard, but of course, kung bigyan ka ng opportunity, like what I said, once in a lifetime, mag-open niya ng mga opportunity sa'yo. Kung kaya mo, grab it. Diba? But my only dilemma there, of course, I'm committed to the other organization. If they will allow me, to handle also another international organization, I would definitely
think about it.
Hindi. Siguro, I will, I know I can do it. I have the experience, and marami rin tumatawag sa aking mga international investors na they're willing to support kung ibibigay kung Philippines na lang mag-handle.
Kasi there's a huge Filipino interest po.
Na baka daw mabuti din ng Filipino ang mag-handle from after US. Kung akong pipiliin ng Philippines, ng mga investors or the other countries who's willing to support, siguro pwede mo nang tanggapin. Diba? Kung iisipin ko, good opportunity to sa akin and of course good also for the country.
Tsaka wala kang connection sa mga mafia.
Wala. Wala akong talaga, wala. Definitely wala.
Sir Elvi, ba't ang sagot mo kanina for Miss You Philippines pala yun? Sagot mo. Meron din bang opportunity doon?
Dahil nabanggit mo daw yung MUPs, which I corrected the Miss Universe organization.
Not MUP. MUP kasi there's already franchise of MUP. Ibig sabihin, yung question sa akin is about MUO. Not MUP, just to clear things. Hindi ako, dahil may franchise ang MUP, which is, my artist pa nga, si Ara Arida is the national director. So I'm supporting Ara.
Pero like Mr. Nawat is with Miss Grant and then Miss You. So yung sinasabi mong dilemma na you're also with another organization.
Kasi I have other franchise. I have other franchise. I have not only World, not only Grant, but also those mga other pageant organization. Siyempre yun ka dapat manghingi ng basbas muna. Because if you handle, you're the franchise, Philippine franchise, but if they will give me a chance to handle the MUO, I have to ask permission of all of these franchise owners. Pageant owners. If they were,
Pero Miss Universe organization na yun, ikaw na magiging halimbawang owner noon. So, sila na ngayon nangihingi sa iyo ng permission to become their franchise holder. Ganun ba?
Hindi ko alam kung anong, siguro I'll just cross the bridge when I get there. For now, hindi ko pa iniisip yan. Hindi siya ang top priority ko.